I just met this guy who was saying that RSI was kind of overbought. So yeah, Nifty would be definitely reversing or would be crashing down because of the so and so reasons like inflation, that data, this data, what not data, right?
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more!
So I'm just wondering like what has happened to those people? So in this video, we'll be specifically talking about this one particular mistake which every single beginner does, and often at times when even the experienced one, when it comes to our ego, we tend not to do it, and we obviously regret it later on. So we'll be talking specifically about that part, and we'll also be seeing what's the outlook of the markets coming on forward with Nifty or the Dow Jones markets, and further on analyze where could we place our best bets at, right? So let's get straight away started with this video. So this is the Nifty chart, SGX Nifty's chart basically on the daily time frame in here. So what we are actually seeing right now is this pattern, and it is almost near the resistance. I definitely do know that, but the mistake which I was talking about in this beginning of this video is that markets can go up like crazily for a very long time and also on the downtrend for a very long time, right? So please do not make this mistake of shorting or going long without any confirmation, because it is better to be late to the trend than being wrong or against the trend, right? So that was the mistake which I was talking about. So basically, when are we going to go long or when are we going to short? That's the problem in here. So let's just go ahead and discuss with that. Going on long on stocks, I wouldn't suggest at this level, because obviously we have to watch out for the levels in there. So all those people who have already gone long in these previous levels can still stay put in, because this would be acting as a great support, right? These areas needs to break down in the long term for Nifty to go down as well. I mean, long term in the sense, just take it as in the a month's period is what I'm always talking about. Long for new players, I would suggest that not with entire capital. Like as soon as this trend line is given a breakout and then finally tests it out with some kind of a pin bar candle and is consolidating above that level, then fine, we can think about adding in some of the capital, not entirely, not even 50 percentage, because there is continuously resistance on the higher side, right? So if you have probably around close to 10 lakhs, you can add up 1 lakh in here, then 1 lakh in here, and so on. You can do a pyramid kind of a position size. So on that basis, yeah, even if you hit your stop losses, it would be on your smaller cap because you've not deployed entirely. This is the outlook of SGX Nifty. Similarly, we also need to understand what is basically the American markets are doing. So we just have an analyze on the American markets as well on the daily time frame. This is Dow Jones, right? On the daily time frame again. So on that basis, if you looked at Dow Jones again, this was the previous swing which it tried to break out, but after sustaining for a while, it was not ready to go on the higher side, and it gave a breakdown, and so did the fall come in. Similarly, again, we are almost near the same level of Dow Jones in here at this level, and if you just look at it, there's not much space. So we'll also have to put in a bit of our patience in here to let us see that how are the global markets performing, which so that it could give us a good boost, right? Because obviously, if the mother markets are not doing good, Indian markets as well could be a bit on the downside as well, right? So that's all I wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you have understood this video and do not make the mistake of just trying to rely on a particular indicator that it is overbought, so the markets are going to come down. Otherwise, if it is oversold, the markets are going to go on the high side, because markets can be on the overbought or the oversold zone for a really long time, or even consolidate a lot. So rather than just following any indicator blindly or any news or any data blindly, just focus on the charts and you'll be doing good. Trust me, you will be doing good. So that's all for the video, guys. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let me know down in the comment section below if you need anything else. Bye bye.